We are hiking Knob Hill Trail today, which is in Flower Mound. It's like 65 degrees right now at the end of February, so I'm super excited about it. It's a beautiful day, and I think we're gonna go about 6.5 or 7 miles today. I'm wearing new boots today, so we'll see how it goes. A little nervous, but I think it'll be all right.
Can be whatever you want it to be. Oh yes.
As always, after every hiking trip, you must get an iced coffee. This is 151 coffee. I have no idea what city I'm in, what direction I'm heading, or any of that, but I'm here at the 151.